Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are all doing really well. So you might notice a little change in quality if you have been here on my channel before. I am filming this on my phone because my camera is currently charging and I need that to film another video right after this. I wanted to film a nice, quick, little easy video for you guys, and I also wanted to do it in theme since everyone is going back to school. So I wanted to do a very quick and easy makeup routine for back to school. I don't return to school until the ending of September because I go to a trimester school, but I know for a semester school everyone returns in the beginning of August. So I just wanted to do a quick little routine to show you guys how you can do your makeup, if you're looking for any inspiration, if you're wanting to get into a makeup routine, or if you have one and you're just getting ready and you want to watch something. I really hope that you stick around, so if you want to see what I come up with, then please keep watching. So before we get into anything, moisturization is extremely important, especially when you're going to school and you're going to be there for around 8 hours. So I'm going to go in with my CeraVe Nighttime Moisturizing Lotion. This is the best moisturizer that I've ever used, hands down. I also saw another creator on TikTok talk about this recently, saying it's their holy grail moisturizer, and I definitely agree. So I'm just going to take a couple pumps and moisturize my face really quickly. I just made sure to get in every single crevice of my face. So for the next step, if you are an eyebrow person, I'm going to be doing my eyebrows. This is the Charlotte Tilbury Brow Cheat, but if not, then you can just totally skip this part. But for me, at least when I was in high school, even now in college, I always fill in my eyebrows no matter where I go, no matter what I'm doing. So like I said, I'm just going in with the Charlotte Tilbury Brow Cheat, and I do have my mirror. You guys are on my windowsill right now. So I do have my mirror and I'm going to brush them out. I know that when I was in high school, I used to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade. Don't make that mistake, guys. So now I'm just going to kind of carve out my eyebrows. I'm going to be going in with the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer just to kind of clean up the under part of my eyebrows. The eyebrows is probably what's going to take the longest out of this whole routine. I'm just taking the back of this e.l.f. Complexion Duo Brush to just blend out the concealer that I put underneath my eyebrows. Taking a little bit of brow gel, I'm just going to brush this through my brows. This is just going to hold them in place, especially because I know with my semester coming up, I am going to be running around all over the place. My days are going to look very busy. I'm going to try my best to upload as much on YouTube. I definitely want to do more college content, but this semester, because it's going to be my first semester as a junior, and just like high school, junior and college is equally as crazy. So I'm kind of freaking out a little bit about how I'm going to manage doing work, school, and then YouTube on the side. But I know that I'm going to figure it out. You got to just give me a moment to get myself together. Also, I will be doing a get ready with me for my first day of school because I love watching girls do that, and I just think it's so interesting to see like what everyone does on the first day of school. So I definitely want to do my own version of that. So if you are willing to watch that video, please leave a comment down below so I know if I should make it or not. So going in with the same concealer, which is the NARS Radiant Creamy, I'm just going to do a little bit of concealer underneath my eyes and then on any blemishes. I know that school can be really stressful, and the last thing I want is to have to worry about smearing makeup everywhere. So I tend to only put concealer in the areas that I need it. So my concealer is all done now, and I want to add a little bit of color back into my face. I'm going to go in with the L'Oreal True Match Lumi Bronze It. This is probably my favorite bronzer. If I could gatekeep this product, I so would, but honestly, I feel like not that many people know about it. But I'm taking this really big fluffy brush and I'm just going to bronze up the face a little bit. This is also super light. That looks really intense. This is also a really, really light powder, so it isn't heavy feeling on your skin, and it just leaves everything looking super nice, especially because winter's coming and, you know, it's gonna get it's gonna get real cold and everyone's tans is gonna be gone. I'm gonna be going in with blush now, and I'm gonna use my Rare Beauty liquid blush. This is in the shade Hope, and I just put like the smallest dot on my face, maybe a little bit bigger than that. This blush is so insanely pigmented, it's crazy, but I'm just blending it out with a beauty blender. I like to blend the blush into my bronzer, and surprisingly they mesh very well for it being a liquid product over a powdered product, but I haven't had any issues with it, and I think it looks really pretty. I am going to go in with powder now, and I'm going to be using the Charlotte Tilbury pressed powder. Mine is in the shade 2, and this is like the best powder that I think I've ever used. I'm just going to press this underneath my eye, and I'll show you guys in a second, but can you tell the difference, like the blur on this side versus this side? I also have a question. If you guys could only use 3 products to get ready, what products would you use? I would definitely use a blush, a bronzer, and a mascara. I feel like I can deal with not having concealer, I can deal with not having a foundation, I can deal with not having my brows done, but like, I don't know. I think those 3 are like top tier. So I want to know your guys, so leave your comments down below. So we're almost done. There's literally only one more step to this very easy back to school makeup routine, and that is mascara. This is the Essence Lash Princess mascara. This is my favorite one. If you've been here for a while, if you've been here since the beginning, I've literally only ever used this mascara, but I'm gonna go back to school shopping before I start school, so I'm gonna go and buy some new makeup as well. But I'm just gonna apply this mascara on really quickly. I'm also running out of this mascara, which is so sad. When I run out of this mascara, guys, that's gonna be the 3rd tube of mascara that I've ran through of the Lash Princess. But I heard that the Refi one is really good as well, so I really, if you've tried that one or you have any thoughts on it, please let me know because I'm really curious. I'm also going to set my face really quick with the ColourPop Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Acid Setting Spray, so I can lock in my face and make sure that no matter where I go, no matter what I'm doing, my makeup stays in place all day. All right, guys, so that is the end of this very quick back to school makeup look. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you are going back to school this August, I wish you guys all the best of luck. I really hope you guys do well this year, no matter what grade you are going into. I'm sending all the blessing, all the knowledge, everything that you need to know, all of the brains. I'm sending it all to you guys so you guys can succeed in school. Also, I want to know what grade you guys are in, so comment what grade you guys are in, or if you're in college, because I know I'm in college, but because I am about to go into my 3rd year of college and I'm kind of freaking out about it, but it's gonna be all right. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, comment if you want to. I would really appreciate any sort of feedback that you guys can give me, any video requests. I read through every single comment that I get, so I love chatting with you guys and I love seeing what you guys have to say. So without further ado, I'll let you guys go, and I really hope you have a good day. Bye.